Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook page. Okay, then tap on profile. Okay, then click on page. Then click on create option. Then click, then get start, then page name. Okay, then okay, then done, then next, then health beauty. Okay, then create. Okay, three option, just wait, then continue, then next, done, then create a new page. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.